Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable curly fall deco mesh wreath with items purchased at Dollar Tree. What you will need: I have a wreath form, I have my fall deco mesh colors. I decided to go with white, brown, yellow, and green. I have chenille stems and scissors. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is cut your deco mesh into 8-inch long pieces. And we're going to start putting together our bundles. So I have my 8-inch long piece. I'm going to curl it. Now you do have two options. You can curl at a diagonal like that, but for this specific wreath, I'm going to go with curling it in a nice cute little curl. Just like that. And then I'm going to do this with all 4 colors. And each time I make a bundle, I'm going to alternate the colors just because I think that looks more fun. If you want to stick with a certain color order, then you can definitely do that. But each bundle is going to have a mix-up of all the colors. So sometimes I will have white on top, sometimes yellow, and sometimes green, and then other times brown. So I have all of my 4 pieces of mesh together. I'm going to scrunch in the center, take my half of a chenille stem, and twist it. And that's how cute and precious it looks. You can adjust it as much as you need to. So I'm going to make another bundle just to show you the different color options. Alright, so this is what 4 bundles look like when I have a different color on top of each bundle. So once I have made all of my bundles, which I think is easiest to go ahead and make all of your bundles before you start placing them on the ring, I'm going to use the center 2 rings. Now you do have the option of using the inner 2, the outer 2, inner 2, outer 2, and alternating like that, but I prefer to just use the center 2. So I'm going to place my bundle, twist my chenille stems, and tuck it away. Now you can place 5 or 6 bundles in each section, or you can even alternate. 5 bundles, 6 bundles, 5 bundles, 6 bundles. It's completely up to you. It just depends on how poofy you want your wreath to be. So I believe I'm going to go with 5 bundles in each section because that makes a decent size wreath. I'll get a few placed and show you what it's looking like. So this is what one section is looking like. So cute, precious, and it's really poofy as well. And it's as simple as that. So just continue repeating the same steps all the way around the ring until you have completed your wreath. And you are all done. It looks so cute, precious, simple, and easy to do. Alternate the color scheme to get a completely different look. And this is what the back looks like. As you can see, I have 5 bundles in each of my 6 sections for a total of 30 bundles. And I have 4 pieces of mesh in each bundle. And this makes a very poofy, adorable wreath. You can add in different embellishments. You can add an adorable sign to the center. Whatever you'd like. Just personalize it to fit you. Have fun with it and make it your own. And don't forget, all items can be purchased at Dollar Tree, so you can make this entire wreath for less than $10.